what? I think this is my fidget box with all my fidget toys in it. And I have my friend, my cousin, and my sister. Okay, so we're gonna open it. Hopefully this is, because I'm scared. Yeah. That's your fault. Open from the
If
side.
it's not, I'm gonna be so sad.
If it's not, then my.
You can't find one.
Oh, here we got. Just sit them.
You need help?
And we got our other.
Be careful, Jen! Move! You could hit your hand. If it goes too, Wait, move. Wait. Not gonna be able to.
We need to open the sides first. Open the sides. Wait, don't scare me. Oh my God, you made her Since they open it from the bottom. Oh my God. No. Open it from the bottom.
No, because
Fidget toy set.
Okay, we know.
What happens if it's just one fidget?
No, it's way more.
No,
than
imagine. Imagine it's
No,
just
there. Just want a simple dimple.
Wait, there's a simple difference.
No, but it says set.
I know. It's just...
Wait! Everyone take one thing. Wait, there's no simple dimples. Okay, there's no simple dimples.
A puppet!
Oh yes, it came with a pocket.
Wacky track.
Mochi! Mochi! They got mochi. No, there's a simple dimple. There. No, there's not a simple.
The pea popper!
Pea popper! Look at those. Look at this. Look at this. Open all of them. Open them.
These sound weird.
I'm bringing. I'm
Yeah.
pulling the wacky trap. The wacky trap. Guys, look at the wacky trap. Mochi. Oh my God. He's so cute. What is this? This is not a fidget. Marvel Mud. Look, guys, monkey noodles. Look, they're tiny ones. Look, a pea popper. I love pea popper. Look, guys.
Oh, that's for us.
Perfect.
Yeah.
A mochi. Oh, what is this?
What is this?
What is this? Oh, it's a puzzle.
What is this?
Guys,
It's a puzzle ball.
Oh, guys, I know what
What
this is. We scammed so
The
loud.
marble, guys.
Oh, another mochi.
We were like,
Guys, look, guys.
we all yelled.
We were yelling so loud. I feel like my mom's awake now. She was awake when I went in her room. Yeah. She was watching a
Look
movie
at
with
this.
Grandma. This one feels so squishy.
Guys, be careful of those marbles in here.
Oh, look. Open all of them.
Look.
Mochi.
Oh, yours.
That feels so cool.
And
What
way
would I-
easier to block.
But how did they get in here? We didn't even hurt the door.
Yeah, right. I think we were
Guys.
Wait, no, this is like just like
This
a
is
normal
so
ball.
soft.
This does not feel like a ball like this.
Look,
The mochi feels so soft.
Guys, this
This
is so
is
cool.
so soft.
Okay, guys, if you
Yeah,
like this
because
video,
you
please
don't
give it a
want
thumbs up. Bye.